To answer the first question, how do you think the two relate to one another? They actually help each other out a lot. So in Maslow's hierarchy, he basically speaks about motivation and what motivates people. And when you're doing persuasive speaking, you're basically just trying to influence people. So when you're doing that, you can use the two to work together. So for example, right, if you're trying to influence somebody, you got to target something, right? So if we're talking about Maslow's hierarchy, it could be the idea of belonging, right? Belonging means you just want to be with someone or stuff like that. So for that, and you're trying to convince somebody, you can do relationships, right? Relationships, you could convince them it's not a good thing, or you convince them you don't need it, or you do need them. That's really up to you. And to answer the second part, how does understanding Maslow's hierarchy of needs help you to develop a persuasive speech? Like I mentioned, it helps you target an audience. And if you're able to target an audience, it makes things easier and it becomes more effective. And when you do that, it just makes it more relatable because you could easily target them and what they're looking for. And then that can make them feel belonging. Or, for example, say you're talking about safety, you could talk about the current things like job security and stuff. Like you could assure them and things like that. So that's how I think the two would work together.